How to fix unable to install app, please try again later on iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you are in here, scroll down and move into App Store. Now you have to make sure that this app download option is enabled. Once it has been enabled, now go back to your previous page. Now search for the option Privacy and Security and then move into it. At the very top, head over to Location Services. You simply have to enable this option. Once it has been enabled, go back to your settings and then head over to Screen Time. Scroll down and head over to Content Privacy and Restrictions. Move into iTunes and App Store purchases. Right here you can see that the password is set to Don't Require, but all you want to do is enable Always Require option. Now you have to enter the screen time passcode. And there you go, it's done. Now you will be able to install any of the app from the App Store and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix unable to install app. Please try again later on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.